Welcome to Futures Trading 101, the Express Edition. Hey there, future futures traders, ready to dive into the wild world of financial derivatives faster than you can say, stock market crash? Buckle up, because we're about to take a whirlwind tour of futures trading in just 5 minutes. It's like speed dating, but with contracts instead of potential soulmates. What are futures, anyway? Imagine you're at a farmer's market and you really want some of Farmer Joe's famous corn next summer. But you're worried the price might skyrocket faster than gas prices on a holiday weekend. So you make a deal with Farmer Joe to buy 100 ears of corn at $1 each to be delivered next July. Congratulations, you just created a futures contract. In the financial world, futures are standardized contracts to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price on a specific future date. It's like pre-ordering the hottest video game, but instead of battling virtual dragons, you're battling market volatility. The players in the futures game, hedgers. These are the cautious cats of the futures world. They use futures to protect themselves from price changes. Think airlines buying jet fuel futures to avoid sudden price spikes. It's like buying travel insurance, but for entire industries. Speculators. The thrill seekers of futures trading. They're not interested in the actual corn or oil, they just want to profit from price movements. It's like betting on the weather, but with higher stakes and fewer meteorologists involved. What can you trade in futures? Pretty much anything that isn't nailed down, and some things that are. Commodities, oil, gold, corn, coffee. Basically, if you can eat it, fuel it or wear it, there's probably a futures contract for it. Financial instruments, stock indices, bonds, currencies, for when trading real stocks just isn't complicated enough for you. Weird stuff, weather futures, housing market futures, because why not bet on Mother Nature or the real estate market while you're at it? How futures trading works? Choose your poison, contract. Decide if you're going long, which means buying, or short, which means selling. Place your order through a broker or a trading platform. Watch the market more closely than you've ever watched anything in your life. Close your position or let it expire. Remember, futures trading is like playing hot potato with money. You don't want to be the one holding the contract when it expires, unless you really, really like potatoes or whatever asset you're trading. Margin, the double-edged sword. Futures trading uses margin, which is like financial leverage on steroids. You only need to put down a fraction of the contract's value to control a large position. It's like buying a house with a tiny down payment, except the house can disappear in seconds if the market moves against you. Pro tip: margin can amplify your gains faster than a teenager's TikTok following, but it can also wipe out your account quicker than you can say margin call. The risks, not for the faint of heart. Trading futures is riskier than trying to pet a grizzly bear while wearing a suit made of salmon. Here's why: leverage. Remember that margin we talked about? It works both ways, amplifying losses as well as gains. Volatility. Prices can swing wildly like a mood ring on a roller coaster. Complexity. Understanding futures requires more brainpower than figuring out why your cat stares at empty walls. Why bother with futures? Despite the risks, futures offer some tasty benefits: diversification, because your regular investment portfolio wasn't keeping you up at night already. Hedging. Protect your investments like a mama bear protects her cubs. Potential for high returns, for when your day job just isn't cutting it. Getting started. Dipping your toes in the futures pool. Educate yourself. Read books, take courses, watch videos. Become the futures trading nerd you never knew you wanted to be. Practice with paper trading. It's like playing Monopoly, but with fake futures instead of fake real estate. Choose a reputable broker. Look for one with good educational resources and a user-friendly platform. Start small. Don't bet the farm on your first trade, unless you're actually trading farm futures, then maybe consider it. The bottom line. Futures trading isn't for everyone. It's complex, risky, and can be about as predictable as a cat's mood. But for those willing to put in the time and effort to learn, it can be a powerful tool in your investment arsenal. Remember, the futures market is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you might just find your golden ticket. Ready to dive deeper? If this crash course has piqued your interest faster than a squirrel spotting an unattended picnic, there's a whole world of futures trading knowledge waiting for you. From in-depth strategy guides to real-time market analysis, the resources are endless. So, are you ready to future-proof your trading skills? The future of futures is calling. Will you answer? Just remember, in the world of futures trading, the only thing we know for sure about tomorrow is that it's going to be interesting. Now go forth and trade wisely, future futures traders. And don't forget to subscribe to Pingala Futures and share this video with people you care about.